Ricardo. Picton. Hernandez.
Tatanong ko muna sa
Ricardo to Picton. Picton for three.
layoff.
2 points by number 13. Foul by number 0, Richard Picton.
Mag-double tayo, 10 trips na kaagad. Pero sa dads, hindi ko pa ma-sure. Sa dads.
No good. Rebound by Ricardo.
10 trips na kaagad yun eh. Sa playoff na lang, di ba?
Oh, it's a blocking foul by number 13. Yes. 2 points by Rainbow. Foul by number 2. Another foul by Red. Foul by number 10. Ready to rebound. 1 point by number 4. Rebound. Ricardo quick pull up. Nice. 2 points by Ricardo. Foul line violation. Alright, it's 8 violations. 8 seconds violation.
14!
Down to 13. Number 13, turn around. Number 12, forward, left move, quick pull up. Rebound by Ricardo now. Ricardo is coming. Ricardo bounce. No good rebound by White. It's 2 versus 1 now. Nice pass, down. No good, down again. Short. Finally. Ricardo. Ooh, nice defense by White. All right, switch players. You have to start first, you have to remove. No earrings, no necklace. Rebound. Number 2. No good rebound by Fernandez. Number 13. Number 8. Back to number 12. Oh, it's a 3 seconds violation by White. Great ball again. Number 2. Nice pass. Oh, good shot by White. Number 13 now to number 3. Side step pull up. Nice. Pull by number 3. Number 2. No good again. Fernandez. Nice. 2 points by Fernandez to reverse layup.
Kuya Joey, dyan si Sak eh.
There's Pedusa. There's a foul. Foul by number 12, pushing foul. One point. That's the highlight. It's on. Pedusa, layup, too strong. Good still by the final. It's a reaching foul by number 13. Switch clears. Time out, White. Number two, sorry. Number 4 now. Good still by Ricardo. Ricardo to Pixon. Pixon pull up. Rebound by Ricardo. 9. 3 points by number 2, Speduza. Ready to rebound?
Yung number 10, tignan nyo may dip yung sa tenga niya.
Rebound by rebound. Ooh, nice move. Yes, good point by Ricardo.
Lapit sa baba.
Ricardo. Ricardo. Hesitation, layup, no good.
Hindi na nga siya sasali daw. Hindi nga sasali na daw. Right ko si Jagjun. O kaya nga si Jagjun. Wala. Di ba nagkahanap siya? Yeah, I'll try to call again.
Now, number 12, oh, it's a traveling. You have to do this one.
O baka gusto ni Jagjun dun sa kan. Sa mga kalahi niya. Yung sa block.
So white ball. Okay, switch players. White ball. Ricardo. That's a foul. Foul by number 3. Get ready to rebound. Took one by number 3.
Dadala ka ng charger. May charger ka.
Another took one. Number 2, Spinoza. Back to Ricardo for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Rizzo. Darren. Now good. Number 12. Easy basket for number 12. Rebound by number 12. Number 3. Just a foul.
White 2-9.
Timeout, White. Water break.
Moving calm, start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't want love and six in the cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love it on me. I don't want to cry for the mystery. Yes, I see the change, I see when you know me. Nobody got some brothers that I live with. Ain't no judge on me, God's plan. God's plan. I hope that sometimes I won't mistake. I feel good sometimes I don't mistake.
Ricardo. Number 2. Number 3. Alright, and 1. Basket is good. Ball went. Ball by number 12.
Yung mahigaw. Mahigaw.
Ricardo, Leah. There's a reaching foul. Foul by number 4. Ready to rebound. Rebound by number 12. The 4. Alright, there's a foul. Foul by number 21. Okay, half time, break time. No lineup, 2 shots by number 4. White ball. Number 3 to number 12. Pull up. Rebound by Fernandez. Rebound.
They give us the rotation. It should be like that for your uniform. But for the uniform that you have, it will stay with you. What's the the league, this one. The course. That design should be It's already done. I have it already.
Number 2. Turnover. Good pass. Oh, too strong. Our next game is the girls division. Number 3, all right. There's a reaching foul by number 2. 2 shots by number 3.
No press, dapat. Ay, 14 pa lang.
1 point. Under 1 point. No press, no white, no press. White, no press, no white. 15 points. That's completely no good. Rebound by Fernandez. Number 3 to number 8. Good defense by Fernandez. Number 12. Step back for 3. Rebound by Red. Number 3. Down for 3. Yes. 3 points. Now 3 points by Cardinals. And first player. Number 13, yes, good attack by number 13. Nice, pull up by Dixon. Score now is 39-25. Still White. Nice pass, oh. Rebound short. Rebound by Pedro. Rebound. Yes, 2 points by rebound. Catching up now. Good look. Number 12. Easily up by number 12. Fernandez. Good pass. Oh, it's the layup by the Cardinal. Number 13. Good look. Number 12. Number 3. Still white ball. Number 13, good defense by Red. Ricardo. Yes, 2 points by Ricardo. So 2 points. It's all back. Catching up now. Oh, there's an answer. Time out, time out. Come on, Red. Right back to ball game. Ricardo to big point. Number 2, close, yes. Score now is 46-34. Only 12 points. Number 3. It's over, step back, pull up. Rebound by Rebound. Big shot. Oh, it's turnover. Number 4. Number 13, pull up. Rebound by Ricardo. Rebound for 3. Short. Rebound by Pedro. Oh, there's a blocking foul. Holding foul. White ball.
Medyo weak. Hindi nag-reply yung pulat. Yung pulat, hindi nag-reply sa'yo. Sabi niyo, hindi na makakalaro eh. Hindi na daw sasali o hindi lang makakalaro. Sino kaya? Visit mo ulit. Kung paglalaro mo sa lati. Kasi bawal eh. Isa lang yung mag-defective sa kanila kasi pinunang sila.
Rebound by White. Number 8. Oh, there's a reaching foul. Foul by number 10.
Sa kabila kasi, handicap sila.
Another point. Foul by number 13.
Dahil si Kuya Obet.
Jump ball.
Time out.
The timeout. All right, back to the ball game. Let's go, guys. Keep playing, don't give up. Still more time. The score now is 50-5. 8 more minutes left. A lot of time. Ricardo. Good handle by Ricardo. Ricardo, Liam. No good rebound to White. White ball still. Next game is our girls division. Dan. Number 8. 13. Federico pull up. Nice try. Number 12. Nice try. Oh, it's a troubling violation. Number 4. Oh yeah, Passion is good. Was Paul with? Paul by number 4. 21. Okay, ready to rebound. Alright, switch players. Alright, go to position now. Players position. Let's go. Number 2. Richard. Lost the ball. Number 13. Liam. Oh, there's a foul. Foul by number 28. Fernandez. 2 shots by number 13. One point. Number 3, oh, good pass. Behind the back. Rebound by number 13. 4. Lead up. Rebound by number 2. Sipidusa. Back to number 2. Kicks on. Number 51, Ricardo. Short. White ball. Number 13. Rebound by White again. Wide open. Red ball. Okay, South Drift.
Mario na.
Rebound wide open for 3. Rebound by Fernandez. Yes. Pedroso, too strong. Rebound by number 2. Ricardo. Short again. White ball. Dan. Good look, it's on. Yes, good finish. Number 3. Good defense by Pixon. Oh. Over. It's a 12-line violation.
Seconds. Yeah.
Oh, and 1. Basket count, foul by number 10. Bonus free throw by number 4. All right, another 1 point. All right.